explore with these wonderful numbers. Open our eyes and remember. Learning mathematics is fun. It is part of our daily lives. Explore mathematics with Teacher Marian. Learning math is very fun. There is joy for everyone. Math Dali! Hi, my dear pupils. I'm so happy to see you today. I'm Teacher Marian, your grade 4 Math Dali buddy. Wear your beautiful smile and remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. In today's episode, we will learn about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Get ready with your pen and paper because it's drill time. Compare the following numbers by using greater than or less than. I will give you 10 seconds to answer each number. Ready? Let's go! Number 1, 919, 199. The answer is greater than. Number 2, 1,543, 1,345. The answer is greater than. Number 3, 2,400, 2,433. The answer is less than. Number 4, 9,888, 9,000. The answer is greater than. And number 5, 15,251, 51,052. The answer is less than. Math Galing! It seems that you have mastered our previous lesson.
To Teacher Marian, Anna, Tonyo, and Math Dali buddies.
Hello! There are 5 mystery books in the library. You will use this map to find these books. Each book consists of a question. Once you answer the question correctly, you will get a colored key. Those 5 colored keys are needed in order to open the mystery box. P.S. The questions are about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Best of luck!
Rounding numbers?
How do we round off numbers to the nearest thousand and 10,000, Teacher Marian?
Do you know how to do it, Math Dali buddies?
Let us observe the following numbers: 53, 50, 57, 60, 50 and 60 are numbers that are rounded off to the nearest tens. 346, 300, 692, 700. 300 and 700 are numbers that are rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Rounding is the process of finding the nearest value to a certain number. When we count, measure, and calculate, we sometimes use rounding off to give us an estimation of the close value. It makes a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Let us visualize this by looking at the number line to represent numbers from 50 to 60. Then let us locate 53. To which number is 53 closer? 50 or 60? Yes, we can say that 53 becomes 50 when rounded to the nearest tens. We can see that 53 is closer to 50 than in 60. Aside from using a number line, we can also use 3 magic steps to round off numbers to the nearest thousand or 10,000s. Magic step number 1. Identify the digit in the rounding place. This is called the rounding digit. Magic step number 2. Identify the digit to the right of the rounding place. Remember, if the digit to the right of the rounding place is less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down by leaving the rounding digit the same. Then, change all digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0. If the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5 or greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round the number up by adding 1 to the rounding digit. Then change all digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0. Let us try it. The Department of Education released a list of 3,250 approved supplementary learning resources in 2019. About how many thousands of supplementary learning resources are available for public schools? Magic step number 1. Identify the digit in the rounding place. In 3,250, the digit 3 is in the thousands place. Therefore, 3 is our rounding digit. Magic step number 2. Identify the digit in the right of the rounding digit. In 3,250, the digit 2 is beside the rounding digit. It is also less than 5. We need to round down by writing the rounding digit the same. Then change all the digits to the right of 3 to 0. We can say that 3,250 becomes 3,000 when rounded to the nearest thousands. About 3,000 supplementary learning resources can be chosen by the schools. This means that there are a lot of materials that can be used by the schools to help them facilitate learning among their pupils. Hello, Ma'am and Sir. You bought a total of 3,275 pesos.
The money that I have is 3,300 pesos. Let me think of the magic steps that Teacher Marian taught me. The rounding place is 100, so the rounding digit is 2.
Beside 2 is the digit 7. And 7 is greater than 5. So we will round up by adding 1 to the rounding digit 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3.
We will give 3,300 pesos to the cashier. Here, miss. 3,300 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am and sir. Here is your change. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Tonyo, it seems that the face masks that they are selling have beautiful designs.
Let's go to their stall and buy some.
Hello there, kids. Are you going to buy some face masks?
Yes.
Great! Did you know that we, the Langwika sewers, were able to produce 28,614 cloth face masks for our frontliners?
Wow, that is a big number.
Can you help me round off 28,614 to the nearest 10,000?
Of course.
Tonyo, let us recall the magic steps that Teacher Marian taught us. 10,000, and the rounding digit is 2.
That's right. Beside 2 is the digit 8, and it is greater than 5. What do we need to do next?
Since it is greater than 5, we need to round up by adding 1 to the rounding digit. 2 plus 1 is 3.
30,000. Miss, about 30,000 cloth face masks were produced by your group, Langwika Sewers.
That's a lot of cloth face masks.
That is right. We really worked hard to produce these cloth face masks. We know how hard the situation of our frontliners is. Here are your face masks. You can take it for free.
Really? Thank you, Miss.
Welcome back, Mathly buddies. Mathly, Mathly, Mathly. Practice time. Always remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marian, kaya yan. I will give you 10 seconds to round each number to the nearest thousands. Get ready with your pen and paper. Number 1, 38,850. Number 2, 43,098. Number 3, 59,319. Number 4, 87,274. And number 5, 26,903. Let us check your answers. Number 1, 39,000. Number 2, 43,000 is the answer. Number 3, the answer is 59,000. Number 4, 87,000 is the correct answer. And number 5, the answer is 27,000. Very good! Let us level up. I will give you 10 seconds to round each number to the nearest 10,000s. Get ready with your pen and paper. Number 1, 38,850. Number 2, 43,098. Number 3, 59,319. Number 4, 87,274. And number 5, 26,903. Let us check your answers. Number 1, the answer is 40,000. Number 2, 40,000 is the answer. Number 3, the answer is 60,000. Number 4, 90,000 is the correct answer. Number 5, the answer is 30,000.
Hi,
Math
Math
Dali
Dali Buddies!
We are now complete, and we are ready to discover what is inside the mystery box.
Teacher, Tanya, Math Dali Buddies, look! I think this is the first book.
Round 35,982 to the nearest thousands.
The rounding digit is 5. Beside 5 is 9, and it is greater than 5. We need to add 1 to the rounding digit. 5 plus 1 is 6.
Next, change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0. The answer is 36,000.
We found our first key. Let us continue.
Everyone, I found the next book.
Round 82,562 to the nearest 10,000s.
The rounding digit is 8. Beside 8 is a number that is less than 5. We will round down by writing the same rounding digit.
Next, change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0.
The answer is 80,000. Math Dali Buddies, can you help us find the third book? Yes, we found it.
Round 87,567 to the nearest thousands.
The rounding digit is 7. Beside 7 is 5. Based on the magic step number 2, we need to add 1 to the rounding digit. 7 plus 1 is 8.
Next, change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0.
Math Dali Buddies, what is your answer?
Teacher, our Mathly Body's answer is 88,000.
Good job! Let us go to the fourth book. I found the fourth book. Let us answer it right away.
Round 34,673 to the nearest 10 thousands.
The rounding digit is 3. Beside 3 is 4. And 4 is less than 5. We will not change the rounding digit.
What is the next step, Mathlete buddies? Yes, we need to change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0. So what's the answer?
30,000!
Here, I found the last book that we need.
Round 67,436 to the nearest thousands.
Mathlete buddies, what is the rounding digit? Yes, the rounding digit is 7. Beside 7 is a number that is less than 5. We will round down by writing the same rounding digit.
Next, change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0.
The answer is 67,000. Let us now open the mystery box.
I'm so excited!
Me too!
Oh! There are a lot of things in the box.
There are alcohol, face shields, face masks, hand soap, and tissue paper.
This will greatly help us to protect ourselves and our family from the COVID-19 virus.
Absolutely! You should also wash your hands every now and then, and please observe social distancing.
Yes, Teacher Marian!
Keep this in mind. The best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marian, kaya yan! That's it for today, Mathlete buddies. See you on our next math exciting and math amazing activities.